Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new list, a new wish list, which you can save campgrounds on the Dyrt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below and select the campground that you would like to save. So all you have to do is clicking on this heart icon. So just simply follow the same steps. So do the same instructions that you would do in a similar case when you want to save it to your original wish list. But instead, tapping on the heart icon, my saved places, click on the create new list button down below to create your new list to which you can save this campground. So type in the name, click on the create button, and as you can see, it has been saved to this section. So when you go back, click on the lists button down below, and here you can find your newly created category. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.